My name is Nyasia West. I am 26 years old, and what we're doing here is learning to install Wi-Fi. I was extended the opportunity by BlocPower's. I grew up in Brooklyn, New York. To see traumas, it kind of becomes like a second nature. BlocPower, they give you work readiness skills, hands-on training installing Wi-Fi and cameras, and building electric charging stations. The people here, they want to give you the opportunities. It's a great program. It has taught me so many things that I'm able to take with me other places. I'm a single mom, so things get a little hard and rough sometimes. Her name is Araya, she's 4 years old. With the extra money from the Wi-Fi training, I've been able to pay for dance tutoring sessions for after school. It's really good to see the things that I do is able to make like a good little human being.